Hey guys, and welcome back to GP Automotive and Diecast. Today I bring you another unboxing of this 1949 Cadillac Coupe DeVille. It's made by Road Legends, and it's going to be the limited edition of the Cadillac Coupe DeVille with the real leather seats, which is very cool. And I got this model from eBay, like, most of my models, and I got it for, I think, a very good price of $30, which, man, this tape is hard to get. Let's try this side. I'm going to set you down real quick. So I got it for $30 total, which, like I said, I think that's a good deal considering that, once again, they don't make these models, so obviously prices can vary and sometimes be quite expensive. Man, this is the hardest tape I've ever had to get undone. Jeez. This is like serious stuff. Okay, so here it is. There's your Road Legends box, and this is made by I guess you could say Yatming, but there was a couple different versions of this like brand. There was Yatming, Road Signatures, and then there was Road Tough and Road Legends, and that's why it's sometimes confusing. So sometimes if I do mess it up, just excuse that for the reason I just said. There you go. Put it out in the sun so you can see it. Well, all I can tell you is that is a beautiful model. Wow. So the box is a little dirty. Got the original straps, that kind of, I guess, chromish gold. Just beautiful. Real leather seats, limited edition. Certificate inside. Huh, I didn't know there was a certificate. Let's go ahead and open it. It's a pretty cool little box. So it's the 50th anniversary of Cadillac, evidently, which I didn't know that, but evidently back when this model was which I made was, I'm guessing, probably the 90s. That was the anniversary of Cadillac. So, but it has original tape. Oh, wow. This has never been opened, guys. Look at that. There's no other tape residue, and this tape is sealed. So this has never been opened. Wow. Well, that's something right there. Well, let's go ahead and open this side. I'll keep that other side still taped for just the heck of it. Keep one side at least still originally taped. Oh yeah, this has definitely never been opened, guys. It's too stiff. The cardboard is just too stiff to have ever been opened. Look at that plastic. There's the back. Wow, that's such a cool car. It's very villainous. That's my way of saying it's a very villainous car. Cadillacs of this time, and Jaguars and stuff, those are some of the most villainous cars, I guess you could say. Okay, we got this. Got the car out. Let's go ahead and try to get this certificate out and take a look at it. Okay, just go ahead and put this box over there. Here's the certificate, by the way. There you go, 50th anniversary. Cadillac Coupe DeVille. Okay. Oh, that's crazy. That is real leather. Yeah, wow, this is just such a beautiful car. That gold is just, that trim is just, I don't know if it's like a silver gold. It's kind of a mix almost. Maybe it's the lighting, but it's just beautiful. Has the original straps on it. The back it says Cadillac Coupe DeVille 1949. Oh, you got a rear spare tire. Is it removable? Oh, come on. It's removable. That is so cool. Yeah, that is really cool, guys. There's your inside. Take a look under the hood. The base it says Cadillac Coupe DeVille 1949 Limited Real Leather Edition 50th Anniversary. To give you a look at the front grille. There you go. Very well detailed. Hood's a little wobbly, but once again, early 90s model, so quality is not going to be amazing. But with that being said, this is just a beautiful model, and I'm so glad I bought it for $30. And I would say if you can find this model on eBay or Mercari or really anywhere, I would say get it. Now, I wouldn't say spend over $50 for it necessarily, $50, $60. I wouldn't spend over that much for this model. But I think if you find a deal like I did for around $30 or so, I would say jump on it, because this is just such a beautiful model, well detailed, nice opening features, beautiful paint. Cool that it's the 50th anniversary, so the box is special. Excuse me. And anyway, yeah, so that's just really cool. And the leather, that's really cool too. And it's real leather, which is really cool, as you can kind of tell. But yeah, so very, very neat. That even has a texture to it. But yeah, so put in the comments down below what you think about this model, and if you own this model, because it's always interesting to know if you do own this model. But if you don't, you know, and you want it, I would say go ahead, get it. It's very well detailed model, cool features, and just beautiful all the way around. Yeah, so put in the comments down below what you think, and hit the like button if you like the video. I'm gonna start getting more reviews, in-depth reviews of just the car itself, out on YouTube, and I'll make some of those videos, and I'll post some of those in the future. And yeah, so hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. And thank you so much for 410 subscribers. You know, the goal is 1,000, and that's just, you know, obviously most people say, oh, 410 subscribers, that's nothing, you know. But I think when you count that my videos are getting mostly 1,000 views, at least sometimes, in the Walmart hunting video, geez, that almost got through 35,000, something like that, 38,000. Shoot, it could have 40 by now. You know, some of my videos have done really good, and it really helps if you subscribe. So it's just very helpful if you do so. And you'll be aware of any of the new videos that are incoming. You'll be the first to get noticed and be able to watch them, and be the earliest to the new diecasts and real car reviews too. So hopefully more of those will come out too. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for all of the exciting stuff that's coming, and thank you so much for watching.